So I'm going to take a peek around the house and show you what happened around us. And you can see that huge tree fell right there. Fortunately, it missed their house. And then behind us, we have a wooded area. And farther behind that is the highway. But look at how these trees are just snapped right at the top, which is what makes me think this was either a tornado or a microburst, because everything in the area, and it's somewhat like a circular area, has just been totally cut apart. I mean, it's like it was just shaved off the top. And that's just not the way trees respond in a storm. And you look back over here, oh, we've got a helicopter going by. We have a army base in town called Fort Eisenhower, and their helos have been busy. I'm sure they're part of the cleanup crew and rescue crew. But look at all those trees. This was like a wooded forest. and it's just, everything is laying down. It is just absolutely amazing. Now, this is what I need to show you. This is where we're living. We have this lovely little pop-up trailer. It's our kids' camping trailer. And so this is where we're spending our evenings because we're afraid to sleep in the house. We were going to sleep in there last night. But between the roof and the roof and the tree, we heard lots of creaking, snapping kind of noises. When you hear something start to split or splinter. And we were just afraid that if we were there, the tree may fall back down. But here we are with water. We're still running water, but we just want to have buckets around.